Hey Michaela, it's Ryan over at Audi VW. We spoke over the phone and I know you're calling from Tennessee, but I'm taking a minute out of my day to show you the 2021 Nissan Rogue that you saw online. Stay tuned. Hey Michaela, it's Ryan D, and I just want to point out some of the features on the 2021 Nissan Rogue that you saw online. I just want to point out you're going to get that full upgraded LED look now. The bumper is really cool. You notice the big grille in the Nissan Rogue. Everything changed. It's not round anymore. I love the body style. It's a lot more sportier. Now making our way around this way, you're going to notice looks really cool. You're going to notice upgraded tires. These are Blackhawks. I want to say they're brand new. I know you question the tires. I just want to tell you, these look new. Michaela, you have nothing to worry about. Brakes and rotors do look new. I'm going to get with service and get an update on that, but you're going to notice along the side, Michaela, updated cameras. This one has the blind spot monitoring, keyless entry on both doors. The body is in great shape. It's a nice dark gray. Regular gas on the Rogue. I just want to point out this is an all-wheel drive. It does have the rear safety features in the back, the backup camera. You'll notice that back with the nice logo and the Rogue. Just looking at you, I love how they updated this year in the 21. Now I just want to point out, Michaela, it's got that nice little safety features for the power tailgate, and it's very, very clean inside. You're going to notice it's updated back here. You get the full spare jack, all the equipment, but I just want to point out it's a nice size spare. It's not a cheap dingy little blow up do-it-yourself kit. They actually put the full size in for the SUV. They still have first aid back here, which is really cool, and easy access to the power tailgate, which is really nice. Now follow me this way. I want to show you the condition on the inside. It's in really, really good shape. You're going to notice back here an updated black leather with summer mats. It's in very, very good condition. It has rear privacy shades back here, USB charging for your rear passengers. Really, really good condition. I noticed they really took care of it. Usually something like this we'll take in, we'll clean, we'll gas, we'll fully service. So I just want to give you a quick walk around and show you what you're looking at. Now follow me to the front, Michaela, where you're going to do most of your day-to-day driving. I want to highlight some of the features inside the 21 Nissan Rogue. Hey Michaela, this is Ryan over at Audi VW. I'm sitting in the 2021 Nissan Rogue you saw online. There's a lot going on in here, so I want to highlight some of the features. You get automatic lighting, power folding mirrors that are heated, which is really nice, automatic windows. You'll notice this one has a heated steering wheel and has access to the rear tailgate down here. Really cool option. This one actually has remote starter, so it's really nice. You'll notice it's updated behind the steering wheel. This one happens to have 52,000 miles. Like I said, my manager was driving it, but you're going to notice the full updated touchscreen over here, which is really cool. They finally updated it. It has Apple and Android Auto. You'll notice a dual digital climate control, which is one of my favorite parts of the car. Really cool. It's all in piano black, and they updated everything. USB Type-C charging and a nice little drop box down here for your phone. And you'll notice cup holders with the updated shifter, which is really cool, and they have the drive modes just like Volkswagen and Audi now, so you can switch off while driving. If you look to the right, you get a nice updated black leather with a cool door panel, and you'll notice trims that run through all the dash, which makes it look really sporty in here. I love how they updated it in here. Now making your way up here, sunglass holder, which is cool to have. They put a full pano shade with a big panoramic sunroof that's a little bit bigger. Really cool. Hey Michaela, this is Ryan D over at Audi VW Fall River, and I just want to thank you for watching the video on the 2021 Nissan Rogue. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding the Nissan Rogue, please call me on my personal number, 401-529-9919. Thanks again, Michaela.